Hi, and welcome to City Update. I'm Sherry Kropp, and it's that time of year where the pools are almost ready to open and splash pads are almost ready to open. And I have with me today Elise Shank. She is from Fayetteville-Cumberland Parks and Recreation, and she's going to talk about everything aquatics today. So Elise, I know that pools will be opening up
Memorial Day. Yep,
Yeah.
Memorial Day.
Okay.
So that Monday.
Yeah, and splash pads will be opening up in May. I can't believe it. Where's the
It
time
flew by.
going?
Every year comes faster.
But with that comes swim camps, swim leagues, everything swim. So tell us about some of the opportunities that residents have available to them.
Sure. So right now we have registration open for 2 of our non-competitive swim leagues. So we have a site at Westover and College Lakes. So it's a developmental swim league. We compete within the team, and we're looking for volunteer coaches this year as well for that. So we do the kids age 7 to 17, and throughout the season we work on improving their technique and building up the amount of yardage that they're able to swim. And then we also offer swim camps, which are Tuesday through Friday, 2 hours at a time, and it's for ages 5 to 17. And basically what we do is we bring them in on the first day and evaluate their skills. From there they get separated into groups, and the instructors work to improve their skills throughout the week. So they can sign up for as many weeks as they'd like. It's $90 per week.
And if someone wanted to sign up for one of the swim leagues or the swim camps, how do they do that?
So they can either go in person to one of our recreation centers, which if they've never registered for anything before, I highly recommend that they do that. So they'll need to bring a proof of age for their child and a proof of residency. So anything like a utility bill with their name and address on it. They'll get put into our system, and they can again go in person to register, or they'll get set up with an online account and they can register online to their heart's desire. So.
And I understand that you are hiring lifeguards.
Yes, of course, we're hiring more lifeguards for this year. We've got a very healthy number of staff. So
Which is great.
I think right now we're holding at about 80, 85, and we're looking to reach 100 this year. So we take American Red Cross lifeguard certifications. They can apply online. They're also welcome to call my office if they have questions about the certification and hiring process. But we're also hiring slide operators and cashiers. So that position is a recreation assistant position. It should be posted within the coming weeks. I believe they just need to be 18 years old, and they can apply online as well. So with that, they're manning the front desk and manning the top of the slide and sending the kids and adults down.
And they would go to FayettevilleNC.gov/jobs to see those positions that are available.
Yeah.
Now, Elise, how many pools do we have here within Fayetteville-Cumberland County?
So we currently have 4 outdoor pools. We're here at Lake Rim right now. Then we also have Westover Pool, College Lakes, and Chalmers Pool. So essentially there's 2 pools on either side of Fayetteville. We also have quite a few splash pads.
We have a lot of splash pads. Very nice splash pads.
Yes, I believe we have 14 splash pads. If you go on our website, we actually have a facility map, so you can look and kind of see where you live and see what the nearest facility is to you as well.
Mm-hmm. And what is the cost for day swim?
So it's $1 for kids 12 and under, and $2 for 13 and older, and that's for residents of Cumberland County. For non-residents, the cost just doubles.
So now for the registration deadline for the swim leagues, when is that?
So the deadline for swim league is May 1st, and the deadline for swim camps is the Friday before the last camp. So I think that date is July 30th.
Okay, so we want to remind you to go to any recreation center, or you can register online for any of the camps or the swim leagues. But if you want more information, you can go to fcpr.us/aquatics and get all of that information there. Well, thank you, Elise, for being my guest today.
Of course.
And thank you. We'll see you next time.